This video will show you how to install the plugin for the Automated Technology Learning Assessment System. To install the plugin in Excel, you need to open a new blank Excel workbook. Choose the Insert ribbon. Locate the Get Add-ins icon in the Add-ins group. The Office Add-ins window will open and display any add-ins that have been previously installed. To install a new add-in, we go to the Store option, enter My Educator in the search box, and press enter. The search results will now display My Educator add-in. To install the add-in, choose the Add button. The add-in will display a new button on the right side of your home ribbon where you will be able to access your My Educator assignments directly from Excel. Click Got It to close the displayed message. You've now successfully installed the plugin into Excel.